MPCs as you've seen. Those are my MPCs. The BMW and the Lexus, y'all. Those are my MPCs. We got Omar back with y'all, and we got the BMW build series. So that's what we're doing. And we got our homeboy over there. Look at him with his Agora, bro. Oh my god, bro. So when he gets driving, I'll show you what he looks like. So y'all, I'm here back with another video with y'all. I'm here with Ian, Mo, and Omar. We're the NPCs, y'all. No, not me. Hold on, wait a second. The NPC Omar, NPC. Bro, what are you having a hard time opening up? Alright, y'all. So as we said last time, we're gonna be doing a spark plug and an intake coming soon. So what we're gonna do right now is show you how do we change the spark plugs. We're both some performance. What do you think?
Performance spark plug,
bro, Ian over here studied BMW, ended up buying a Honda.
tells you all you need to know, bro. That's big.
Omar's car here, y'all. Don't bother that dent. His ex-girlfriend got so mad and smashed his side. That's what happened when you cheat, Omar. Your girl did that, Omar. So when we get started with this, we'll show you step by step on how it is. Show y'all, this is what we were gonna work with. One of them's broken, but that's all you need for this tool. You don't need a whole lot of tools. You just gotta know how to use them. And that's basically everything. Plus Omar's tools that we just, every time we need anything, Omar is the plug. Alright, y'all, so let me show you how stupid BMW decided to be so special and pull a socket like this. And honestly, you can't find it at any, what do you call it? Any auto parts store. We literally bought this from BMW and we got scammed with 85 bucks for this. Basically did is remove the brace that goes here, just like on the other side. We removed it here. We gotta remove this bolt, remove this, and then there's this we have to remove. What's that? And there's sound endings we gotta remove also to get to these. There's two spark plugs behind here, and then the rest are basically straightforward. When you move these, you can move it to the back. Those are the vacuum thing. I'm not really sure what you call them. And you just remove them to the side. You basically get those. Those are very fragile too. Like these plastic, just BMW is so cheap. They made them so cheap. So you gotta be careful with those, otherwise the car is gonna stay here. So let's get this moved and then we'll show you after. What do you say, broski?
I'm saying that I think you're cool for it.
What? So basically after taking this piece over here off, you gotta come back right here and you see this bolt. You gotta take this bolt off and then the bolt right there. There's 3 bolts. The middle one, you don't take it off. I'll show you after I take this piece off. But you take this bolt and the bolt at the very end. So these 2, you take them off and then we'll free it up. And then there's another click here. You push it to the front and then you pull this up and then you just lay it over there so we can have access to those spark plugs in the back. So let me get that real quick off and then we'll show you real quick. So let's take it off. So we took it off and it's very hard to get the bolt back here off, but we managed to get it. And then now you take this bracket metal piece that goes basically like that. You take it off, that holds your O2 sensors. After you take it off, you have access to the 2 O2 sensors that you need. There's one in the back, one right here, and then basically the front are pretty straightforward and easy to get to. So hopefully it doesn't take us long. So I'll show you when we get to the part where how you take your coil pack out. We'll show you how it's done. I don't think it's very hard, but we'll show you. The coil pack, you pinch here and lift it up. After you lift it up, it releases it, but you have to pull from here and then, ooh, nice. And then you release it. After it's released, you pull your spark plug out. Looks pretty clean. Nice. So I'm gonna do to the rest of them. When I'm done, I'll get back and show you. We basically took those first 3 out. And so in case of anything goes in there, we don't wanna risk it. But let's change the spark plugs on those 3. And then after, we'll show you and take the rest out. Let's get to it. All right, so we took everything out. We're trying to put the new spark plugs back in. But this guy rushes me to install them for him, but he forgot them at home. So where are you going now?
To get the spark plugs.
Bro,
That's stupid.
this guy was rushing me to come and do it. Bro, two minutes, bro. You look like 15 minutes. Bro, get out of here, bro. So he basically rushed for nothing. So now I have to wait for him to go get the spark plugs, and then he'll be back. So when he comes back, we'll catch you guys up.
2,000 years later.
Finally here. Damn. This guy's finally here. Did you get them? Look at them, boy. Finally get them. 2 years later, this guy finally gets them. So we can finish working on this. Oh yeah, so that's why I installed it. Let's show you the old one actually. This is what the old one looked like. It's not bad. Let's put it to the light.
Not bad, not bad.
It's not bad. But it's getting tuned, so might as well do the regular maintenance.
It's not aging.
No, it's not NG pieces. I think those are some industry.
AliExpress shit.
No, it's BMW. Those are factory. Those are BMW. Hey, yo, don't you love it when you see a BMW on a part? It's like BMW. But when oh my God! This car probably was with some guy who goes to his regular. He's a regular NPC who goes to his job and done. But when it falls into a, I don't want to even say it, but when it falls into this guy's hand, this engine's gonna start crying. So let's go ahead and change it with we got an NGK high performance spark plugs. Let's go install this one, twerk it to spec, and then we get back to you guys. So this is the new one, this is the old one. Look at the gap in the old one. So let's go ahead and install the new one. Fuck the old one, bro. Second one, out with the old and with the new. Look at this extension, y'all. That's a mad extension. Put it there. And then loosen it up. After you loosen it up, you go by hand. Sometimes it gets stuck. You go back to the range. Let me get back to you after I take this one out. Third one out. So old out with the old and with the new. Oh yeah, so let's install those first three. And so basically what you're gonna do is get these. Usually BMWs that gasket is falling apart, you'll find some oil on them. Inside you'll find oil, but this is perfect. This is what you want to see. That means it's a healthy engine. So you go ahead, insert it. After you insert, you gotta put this in, and then you push it in. After it's pushed in, this will press it down. So I had to figure out to put it back. You basically, this comes out, and this will, when you push this back, don't be scared like how I was, because this plastic is very fragile. That's the only reason I was scared. So you push this in, and then this will suck back the plug and push it back into place. After that, it's not going anywhere. So let's do that on this one and that one, and then we'll get back to you guys after we install these three. Showed you the first one. I don't think I need to show you all three. So let's go ahead, put these back, and get back to you when we take off the rest of the three. So we took the two, we got one more, and then we took the two out. Risk dropping any debris inside or whatever. I know it's not that big deal if you do, but still, I don't want to risk it, so I'm taking it one by one. And look how clean. That's what you want to see inside of an engine. So let's go ahead, change those, and we'll show you what they look like as spark plug, and then we'll get back to you. Again, out with the old, with the new. Perfect. Look at the gap like that, you know what I mean? This gap, so you can get better performance out of it.
What is the old one?
Bring the twerk wrench. That's what you need. 60-foot pattern twerk. There. When you hear this, that means it's perfect.
That's what I'm talking about! That's what.
Wait, one for more for one. Good luck. There you go. The fist, y'all, brother. So we're gonna get out with the old, the new. So again, when you twerk, you basically screw it back in normal with this. When it stops, you bring out your twerk wrench, and then when you hear this, that's perfect. That's what you need to press. I'm not gonna lie, this is the 6th one, and that got us messed up. We literally was fighting with it to get out, but it's not bad. So out with the old, with the new. Last coil pack, y'all. So let's go ahead. Push these to the side, slide it in, push it, install this piece. After you install this piece, you push it down, click in place. This is the messed up part. You have to line it up right. If you don't line it up right, it won't go in. So after it's in, you push it, make sure it's good, it's tight in. This is pull. And now we assemble all the top part, and then let's show you. Let's go ahead. So this piece first. This just holds all the harness that runs from here to there. This goes down here, and then it bolts onto these 2 bolts. But before we install this, we have to install that bracket right here, and then install it, and then get all these wires back in place, all those stuff. So let's go ahead and install this part first with all these O2 sensors. So basically just like how they are, each one falls in place. You just have to line it up with this one, put that bolt in place, and then you should be all set to go. So let me do that and then show you after the next step. All right, so we install that bracket right here, and now we install these ones. So that's the white, that's the black right here, yellow one here, and then they go basically like this. This one goes right here. Wait, no, this one here. My bad, y'all.
Genius.
This one here clicks in place. Let me just get this. This one right here, and that one, the other one. Oh, I see, my bad. This one right here, and then do this. Just like that. That's installed. The O2 sensor is installed. You bring the sound deadening back before you put that plastic. Make sure your O2 sensor is out. This goes into place. Hide everything just like this. Make sure you got lots of space here, and then you bring your plastic bracket, this one right here, it clicks down here. Get that out of there. And then install this side first. Clicks. This one here, those 2 bolts. And then you install the 2 bolts. We install the screws here. That's in place. Clicks out here. The small little wire goes in the back, falls in place, and then push it in. And then there's large and medium. You push the large one down first, push it back like that. It goes on only one way. See, just like this. No, it goes like here. Push it in, and then the large one just goes right on top, right here. So everything is lined up. After you check, good, you bring this piece, and then you just slam it in. That's how you install it. All the spark plugs, all good. You give it one more time, push it in, make sure everything's good, and that's how you change your spark plug on an N55 BMW 535. And then that'll be a wrap for this video. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button. So that's how you install your spark plugs on an N55 BMW.